So I am Hazel. Basically, it stands for Inspire and Motivate. Hazel. So yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, we will be doing Papaya Thai Salad. So tara! Gawa tayo! Okay, so let's start. Nahugasan na yung papaya. So, gamit tayo ng peeler. Okay, so since wala tayong cherry tomatoes, we will be using kamatis. Tomatoes. Kamatis pala naman yan. We will just be slicing them into smaller pieces, mas maliliit na para na siyang cherry tomatoes. Slice yung top. So, kapag na-slice yung top part, slice it into half. And slice nyo pa to sa kalahati pa. Hanggang sa cherry tomato size na siya. So, that's what we want. Ngayon, gamit tayo ng mortar and pestle. So, kahit yung calamansi, slice natin into half, no? Pound ko lang tong bawang. So, oops, pound lang natin. We can now add in the calamansi juice. Ayan. So, pinagsasala ko lang yung kamay ko. Nilagyan natin yung calamansi and bawang. So, let's add in the chilies, the sili. Pound natin. So, next is 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So, lagyan lang din natin lahat yan dyan. Okay. So, yeah. So, nahalo na with the sugar. So, halo natin yung sinigang mix. We'll add in our roasted peanuts. So, yung meron kami sa bahay is yung Planters na honey roasted peanuts. Okay, so I'm back. So, nalagay na natin yung kamatis now. Nalagay na natin itong next, yung sitaw. Alisin ko lang yung dulo. So, may dalawa pa pala akong kalamansi na hindi nalagay. Iwan lang ako ng 2 perasong ng balat ng calamansi din. Okay. Now, naalis na yung dulo ng sitaw. Hindi naman na siya kailangan pakuluan or whatsoever. So, roughly break mo lang siya with your hand. Hindi rin naman super durog, pero combine mo lang yung all ingredients. Medyo halo lang natin. Oh. So, just make sure na tuyok. Yan. Okay. So, now I think we're ready. Lagay natin yung papaya here sa ating mixture, sa ating mortar and pestle. Ready, get set, go! From the mortar and pestle, dito na lang tayo mag-didikdik ng konti. But we will be transferring it here. All here. Okay. Okay, so let's get everything in here. Look at that. Ganda. Yan. So, you want to make sure that it's fully coated. Okay, so titikman na natin. Hindi kasi mag-catch. So, kuha tayo ng kamatis, ng sitaw, and ng papaya. Tikman lang natin fast. Okay? Gusto mo yung sitaw? Okay. Ready? Get that? Sarap! Super sarap. So, let me know. Pag try nyo na, yung combination ng anghang, ng tamis, ng asim, it explodes in your mouth. Ang sarap. So, enjoy!